in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, Bugs. Got my scholar's hat on today. Thank you, Winstone. Gaudeamus, hippies. As the Wall Street movement continues to grow with its cries for social and economic justice spreading across the land, probably it behooves us again to inquire just exactly how unequal we really have become. So here's the top 5 facts you should but might not know about the wealthiest 1% of Americans, courtesy of rogue economist Ravi Batra. Number 1, the top 1% owns 40% of the nation's wealth. That's right. Nobel laureate Joe Stiglitz noted recently that 25 years ago, the top 1% owned only 33% of the nation's wealth. So we can see a steep ascent. How much of the wealth does the bottom 80%? Reckon that'd be you and me, hippies. We only own 7%. Number 2, the top 1% take home 24% of the national income. That's right. In 1976, they took home just 9%, which means in 35 years, their share of the national income pool has almost tripled. Number 3, the top 1% own half of the country's stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The Institute for Policy Studies calculated that the bottom 50% of the country, that's you and me, hippies, we only own 1/2 of 1% of those investments. The top 1% of Americans have only 5%. This is 0.4 of personal debt, while the bottom 90%, you and me, hippies, we hold 73% of the total debt. Now, that may need to be explained. You and me, hippies, we're indentured servants of capital. We work our entire lives mostly to repay what we borrowed just to stay on top of things. And then finally, 0.5, 1% are taking home more in the national income than at any other time since 1920s. That's right. Not only do the 1% take home an overwhelming proportion of the national income, but their share has grown greater than at any time since before the Great Depression. I got a little mantra I want to leave you with, friends. The wealthy make choices. Shall we drive the Porsche or the Benz tonight, darling? But the poor make decisions. Shall we buy food or meds? We got to decide, babe. I hope you're not down to decisions yet. See you at the beach. Back to you in Hippie Central, Winstone.